Welcome to our full guide on using FL Studio in Linux. Today, we'll explore everything from installation to making music like a pro. Before we dive in, let's ensure your system is up to the task. Here are the essential requirements you'll need to run FL Studio smoothly on Linux. Now, let's get FL Studio installed. We'll cover both using Wine and exploring any native installation options available. Next up is setting up your audio interface. It's vital to ensure FL Studio can communicate with your hardware for the best sound quality. MIDI controllers can take your music production to the next level. Let's configure your MIDI devices to work seamlessly with FL Studio. Now, let's explore the FL Studio interface. Understanding the layout is key to navigating efficiently while working on your projects. Creating and managing your projects effectively is crucial. Let's go through the steps for starting a new project and managing your work. VST plugins can greatly enhance your music production. We'll discuss the best ones to integrate with FL Studio on Linux. To ensure a smooth experience, it's essential to optimize FL Studio. Here are some tips to help you enhance your workflow and performance. That wraps our guide. Remember these best practices as you explore the capabilities of FL Studio on Linux.